welcome back to Monkey Minecraft Time Talks. I'm here with Puppy Jackie City. We're going to be making things explode. I told you there were explosions. So first, you start by taking a spoon like this size, putting in, something or another.
Which is also called, it says on it.
Let's see here. Food colorant. So, yeah, we're going to do one big spoon into this cup.
It needs to be exact.
And we're,
Whoops.
We have to restart.
we're going to pause there for some cleanup and come right back.
Okay. After disaster cleanup came to the rescue, you sever one big spoon. Don't do what I did there, okay, folks? Now you dump this in.
That's not one big thing. It's one tiny thing.
And then I would set this down somewhere where you know is safe.
Not there.
Like on this random piece of paper. Right? Definitely safe. Okay. And then we've got to measure out 20 milligrams of this. Milliliters. Sorry there. Got me a little confused. But this only goes up to 12. So, we're going to do... Well, actually, you try and figure it out in the comments. Let me know in the comments below. You have to do 2 10 milliliter.
Or find out in the comments.
Do you have another way he could make 20 out of that, Connor?
Yeah, but I want them to write it in the comments.
Remember, it counts from 2s from 10 to 12.
Is that 10?
Yep, it's 10. And then we'll do another 10 here. That's the first step. Now I'm going to hand it over to Monkey Minecraft.
There's one more step.
Oh.
Read your instruction.
And look, we have to stir. So I'd put this down right here. And then stir with this stick thing here. Don't know what it is. It's a stick. Okay, now I'm going to hand it over to Monkey Minecraft times Fox.
No.
So wrong person. Not myself. My
We need to
assistant,
put
Puppy
a
Jackie
whole
C.
body.
Okay, hold on 1 second, though, as we set up for the next step. Okay.
So, now, I need to take this off.
What is that?
This is citric acid.
You're pouring it into a flask there, huh?
Yeah.
Nice canonical flask.
You have to pour all of it.
Citric acid, also really good in lemon desserts to make them really sour, or you can put them in gummies to make the sour candies.
Put in sodium carbonate. I forgot what the name is. For a second.
And then, after you finish putting the entire bottle in, you have to swirl it around.
Now I need to swirl it around.
It's all mixed together, right? What are we trying to make happen here?
Explodiness!
And how does that happen?
So what happens when you dissolve it is it becomes CO2, which is bubbles,
Or, just so you know, or carbon dioxide.
Also known as carbon dioxide.
Look, this uses a carbon dioxide bottle to turn regular water into sparkling water.
They're gonna
Alright,
make
now-
carbon dioxide bubbles out of this.
Now that we have this all swirled around, I'm gonna put it in a bowl, big, and then I'm gonna put in 10 milliliters of liquid soap.
Why are we putting in soap?
So the bubbles last longer.
melted soap.
last very longer. It's basically we're basically blowing bubbles, except for making things explode.
All right.
Are you sure?
We ready for the last step?
The final countdown.
All right.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You all in there?
We're in. This might take a second,
Oh, it's starting to bubble.
but we're gonna get some explosions.
Oh, here
It's coming up. Here it comes.
Oh.
Incoming.
Whoa.
I promised explosions. Just on my channel description.
Yeah.
I would also check out the Redstone Chicken. He's doing a new RL craft. It's very realistic. It's like Minecraft. No punching trees. And there are creepy dinosaur thingamabobs.
No,
Whoa.
I'll still punch trees.
It's still going.
Yeah, and it looks really weird too. And if you look, you can see some black spots in there.
That's why the food coloring didn't get, or the colorant didn't get all mixed in. Yeah?
Well, that makes it look all the fuller.
Yeah.
Oh, and check out the Frosty Articuno.
And Puppy Jack the Sadie.
I mean, he's right here, so you would guess. But let's get like one last close-up.
Whoa, look at those bubbles. All of those are being formed by just the chemistry of the things in those powders splitting off. Ooh.
Next time, can we get
Making carbon dioxide and water.
Bottle can we get 2 whole bottles of? Next time, we're gonna get 2 whole bottles of Coke, and then 2 whole actual, like, you know, the big bottles. Put them in a balloon, and then dig a hole in the ground. Put a pipe in the ground, put the balloon in, and then empty slingshot a Mentos, and then empty a can of 2 cans of Mentos in there to make it go boom boom.
All right, it looks like it's finishing up, so we are too.